All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel for another update regarding the entire market. I am not in the usual studio, but I'm still going to try to give you guys updates, while I can. If we're looking at the markets as we do start off the week, you are seeing quite a bit of red across the board. This is something we are anticipating. This is something I said, we could be expecting. Go watch some of my most recent updates. I still think Bitcoin has more downside for itself. And of course, we are starting to see quite a bit of red across the board, especially due to the fact that Bitcoin did go below $66,000 once again. We're seeing a huge bloodbath. Pretty much a lot of coins across the board are down right now. So again, if you've been on the sidelines for the past 2 to 3 months, again, you're getting that opportunity once again. But pretty much the last 1 week as well, we're seeing that continuation and a lot of projects going down double digits now. What exactly is next? What we could be expecting? Let's take a look at it. But what I really want you guys to focus on right now is the broader market is seeing a retracement. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So one thing you want to focus right now is look at Bitcoin. We speak about Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis. A lot of people don't like talking about Bitcoin. A lot of people don't like listening about that. But this is where you understand the power of BTC. It's down 5.2% on the weekly time frame. And a lot of people might be thinking, wait, Crypto ZX, that's barely anything. Exactly. If you're looking at the broader market, you're seeing a majority of the coins right now that are down double compared to Bitcoin. Why is that the case? Because Bitcoin tends to hold much better in the downwards trend, compared to some of the altcoins, majority of the altcoins. And you could get that confirmation just based off of looking at the last 1 week alone. Well, let's take a look at what's happening further. So once again, as I've said, pretty much across the board, you are seeing quite a bit of red across the board. XRP on the move. I have no idea. I haven't gotten a chance to take a look, but XRP is on the move right now, up 4.4% over the past 24 hours. One of the only coins right now that is in the green in the top 10. So that is quite impressive to see. Do let me know in the comments down below if you want to see any XRP updates. But other than that, guys, I'm pretty much scrolling down right now. You're pretty much seeing red across the market until the top 56, up 1.8% for Lido. And yeah, you guys get the idea. But once again, pay attention to the last 7 days. Massive bloodbath. And again, as I've stated to you guys before in my video, if you are on the sidelines, you want to take advantage of times like these because uncertainty right now is quite high, believe it or not. But if you're looking at BTC dominance index, it actually has gone up. So we saw Bitcoin dominance index actually retest 55%, but it has gone up once again as we start off Monday morning. You are seeing that happening due to our good old friend Bitcoin. So Bitcoin did make its way up to 66.8, but I told you guys in the update, which was just yesterday, that we could actually end up seeing a fake out happening for BTC. And as a matter of fact, Bitcoin did start off the week on a negative note. We saw once again a retest at 65,179. We do have extensive support line around here, but as I've said to you guys countless of times, I personally think we have everything for Bitcoin to even retest $64,000. So this is really going to be an interesting day to really understand what the next coming weeks will bring for the crypto space. Very, very important to say the least. So if you're looking at the price of BTC right now, here actually let's switch to the weekly time frame. There we are, weekly time frame. So if you're looking at it on the weekly time frame right now for BTC, wait, what's going on? This does not, oh no, this is good, this is good. I was getting confused. So you're starting to see BTC at 65.5. So Bitcoin is definitely on the downwards trajectory right now, but let me actually switch to the hourly time frame once again. Okay, there we are. So if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, extensive support. There's extensive support coming up around here, but the next support line is around that 64K range, which I cannot see for some reason. I think my charts are glitching right now. But if you did watch some of my most recent updates, you actually could go back and take a look at those. I have explained as to what is going on with Bitcoin, where's some next price targets, and I think there is some extensive support. If I'm just taking a look at it on the daily time frame right now, you can see extensive support around $64,200 to $64,300, and I believe that could be the next target for us to retest. Yeah, there it is. You can kind of see it here. So $64,000 could be retested for Bitcoin. Guess what this does? This will cause the dominance to go up, in my opinion. If we are not able to hold around this support, you can see we do have extensive support around these levels, but if this support does not hold, a 64 retest can happen. There you go. You can see 64 for roughly around these levels, and this retest can impact the altcoin market even more. So going back to what I've said, we want to be locking in profits. Literally go watch any one of my videos over the past few months, years. Every single time I give you guys the advice to lock in profits. Don't listen to the trolls, because let me tell you, the amount of trolls that are in the cryptocurrency market is just at an all-time high. Nothing goes up straight forever. There's always going to be profit taking that will happen. There's always going to be whales coming and trying to manipulate the markets, because let's face it, around this time, just a week, 2 weeks back, everyone was getting super excited. Everyone was talking about altcoin season occurring because of the fact that we saw Bitcoin dominance falling quite sharply. But here you are, you're seeing BTC being manipulated quite heavily due to the FOMC. I still believe this is due to the FOMC meeting decision. I believe whales are taking massive advantage out of this, and we're seeing heavy, liquidation across the board right now for, the longs that were piling up. And again, we're continuing to see this, and this shakeout is needed in the market. Look at the broader market. We're still in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Whether you're holding Solana, whether you're holding, Kaspa, VeChain, whatever the case may be, Pepe, everything is down right now, and on a nice sale. I think in the next few months to come, we are going to see a lot of projects hitting all-time highs. Again, that's my own personal opinion. We have not seen altcoin season occurring right now, and again, that is all thanks to BTC dominance. A lot of traction still on BTC side, and I still believe Bitcoin will reach an all-time high before we do see a lot of other coins reaching all-time highs. And I'm starting to think whether or not some of the old coins are going to reach all-time highs. But again, I go back and think about how fast this market moves. In a snap of a finger, this market can move. So again, time is going to tell. Diversify your portfolio, lock those profits in. If you've been on the sidelines, and you have done your due diligence and want some exposure, well, the time is here, and I think we could still see more downside for BTC. But again, you cannot time the market perfectly. You cannot time the bottom perfectly. So if you want to scale in, there is quite a bit of deal across the board. But you could see Bitcoin is on the move towards the downside right now. We will see what happens. I'll try giving you guys updates tonight. But with that being said, I'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.